genetic sequencing test and my DNA test, and they tell me that I have Indian DNA. And everybody knows when I hear Indian music, I start dancing.
Dun Sana Kampar. Sebelum pidato ini, suasana di Istana Kepresidenan India penuh keakraban. Presiden Prabowo disambut langsung oleh Presiden India, Draupadi Murmu, dan Perdana Menteri Narendra Modi. Jamuan makan malam kenegaraan ini menjadi momen penting yang menandai hubungan erat Indonesia-India yang sudah terjalin selama 75 tahun. Dan yang menarik, sebelum menyampaikan pidato, Pak Prabowo berbincang santai dengan para pemimpin India dan tamu kehormatan lainnya. Yuk, kita lihat momen ini. Dan ini dia, bagian yang bikin suasana makin cair. Presiden Prabowo bercanda soal DNA Indianya, yang katanya bikin beliau otomatis ingin menari kalau dengar musik India. Hadirin pun tertawa dan bertepuk tangan. Tapi bukan cuma itu, pidato lengkapnya juga berisi pesan mendalam tentang hubungan panjang Indonesia dan India. Yuk, kita simak.
The Honorable President of the Republic of India, Her Excellency Madam Draupadi Murmu, Honorable Prime Minister, His Excellency Mr. Sri Narendra Modi, Honorable Vice President, Honorable Ministers, distinguished guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. On this distinguished event, I would like once again to extend my highest appreciation and my gratitude to President Draupadi Murmu and the entire government of India for the warm welcome, great honor given to me during this, my first state visit to India. My deepest appreciation for your government in honoring me, inviting me as the guest of honor in the celebration of India's 76th Republic Day. I'm really honored because on your first Republic Day, the guest of honor, the chief guest, was also the President of the Republic of Indonesia, our first President, and our Proclamator of Independence, Mr. Sukarno. This is indeed a great honor for me. That means I'm following in the footsteps of the founding father of the Republic of Indonesia. I must express to you that this meeting, this visit of mine, although very short, only 4 days, but I consider this to be very productive. We had very intensive meetings and we had substantive agreements, consensus. We want to accelerate and substantiate the strategic and comprehensive partnership between India and Indonesia. I had many meetings with leaders of Indian industry, finance, and I'm determined to accelerate the cooperation and the symbiotic relationship between India and Indonesia. In very important fields, health, pharmaceuticals, education, culture, capacity building, and security, digital cooperation, maritime safety and security, we have come to close understanding and we would like to implement all our substantial agreements and consensus. Once again, I would like to reiterate my commitment, my determination to enhance our cooperation and friendship. Indeed, India and Indonesia have long, ancient history together. We have civilizational links. Even now, a very important part of our language comes from Sanskrit. Our names, many names of Indonesia are actually Sanskrit names, and in our daily life influence of ancient Indian civilization is very strong. I think it's also part of our genetics. I would like to report to the President, Prime Minister, and Vice President, distinguished friends. A few weeks ago, I had my genetic sequencing test and my DNA test, and they tell me that I have Indian DNA. And everybody knows when I hear Indian music, I start dancing. So it must be part of my makeup. I'm very proud to be here, and I want to tell you, I'm not a professional politician. I'm not a good diplomat. I say what is in my heart. I come here a few days, but I learned a lot. I learned a lot from Prime Minister Modi's leadership programs and your commitment to alleviate poverty, your commitment to help the marginalized, to help the weakest part of your society is an inspiration for us. And I say, why not follow a good example, especially when you have many good examples. Thank you very much once again, and I would like to wish people of India prosperity, peace, greatness in the coming years, and I would like to see Indonesia and India continuing to be close partners and close friends. Thank you very much.
Nah, Dun Sanak, itu tadi pidato lengkap Presiden Prabowo. Dari gurauan soal DNA sampai komitmen memperkuat kerja sama strategis Indonesia-India, ini bukan sekadar jamuan kenegaraan biasa, tapi juga simbol persahabatan yang makin erat. Gimana menurut kalian? Tulis pendapat di komentar ya.